So if I were to go around over here onto a new message right here, I can simply go ahead and let's say, for example, say this is a sentence right here, just like this. And if I were to go around, type in something else, then I get an option to check the spelling. And if I were to right click, then you can see that I get an option to correct out the spelling right here as well. And you can also go around onto the spelling section and you can see that you can work around with the spelling. But if you want to go ahead and change how this actually behaves, then you can go around onto the tools menu right here and then go to settings. So once you go around on the settings right here, you can see that under composition, you can see that spelling is an option right here. So you can also go ahead and check the spelling before sending an email. Let's say, for example, I go ahead and then write an email. So I'm going to go around and say, hello there. Hope you are doing well right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and then just quickly typing spelling. And then if I were to go ahead and then let's say, for example, YouTube right here, just like this. So let's just go around and choose this, click on send. Then it'll actually check the spelling before sending because I have enabled that out right there. So that is what you have as well. And then you can also enable the spell check as you type. So as you're typing, you see the red underline right there. So that is actually the spell check in action. So I'm just going to go around and say hello and how are you doing right here, just like this. Hope you are doing well. And then you can see that this is the red underline, which is actually checking as we are typing along as well. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that you can also download many more dictionaries right here as you want. So right now there's English and Spanish, but you can go ahead and then download out more languages as you want as well. So simply go ahead and click right here. Then what you can do is you can add this out onto Thunderbird and the language will be added. So you can simply go ahead and add it, and then under settings, you can go around and find that out as well. So let me just go ahead and close this out right here and then go around under settings right here, and you can see the added languages here. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the spell check settings inside of Thunderbird. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.